Don't know how to get students excited for being back at school in the fall? Watch this video and learn how. Hi, my name is Elizabeth Kittinger and I'm from Melville High School. I'll be talking about how to welcome students back to school in the fall and get them excited about the new school year. I chose this topic because it's one of my favorite days of the year, and seeing everyone excited to be back is so rewarding. Here are some of the tips and tricks I have found works best to create a great first day over the past 4 years I have helped with it. Many students dread coming back to school after summer ends. It's our job as student leaders to get everyone, the students, teachers, and staff, excited to be back at school and ready for the new school year. It's important to set a good example for how students should react to being back at school and set the tone for a great year on the very first day. At my school, we spend the day before school starts decorating our school and planning our first day activities. Every year, we pick a theme for our back-to-school activities and decorations. All of our student council members make decorations and hang them around the school. Many posters include jokes or drawings relating to the theme or being back at school. We also write positive messages with chalk on the sidewalks so students and teachers will see them as they come into school. Themes can be anything. Just like if you were picking a theme for a dance, try to pick a theme that appeals to your school as a whole and is easy to decorate for. Obscure themes can be fun, but make sure you have some decoration ideas to back them up. Costumes are also great. If you have a theme that people can wear costumes or dress up for, consider making the first day a spirit day to get everyone involved. If you don't think your student body will participate, try asking your student council members to dress up. The costumes don't have to be anything fancy, just something to get people excited. If you don't do costumes, try t-shirts matching your theme. Having your theme incorporated in the way your student council members and staff are dressed will bring the excitement into every room. On the first day, our council gets to school a little early and gathers in different common areas to welcome students and staff back to school. We want to start the day off on the right foot and get everyone excited from the second they step out of their car or bus. We usually split up our council by grade level and ask each grade level to welcome students in different areas. This is so we don't have a huge crowd at the front entrance and empty everywhere else. We usually set up a speaker in the front of the school, play music, and cheer whenever people come inside. We also have noisemakers and beads to throw out and give to students when they come in. By welcoming students and staff into school at every door, we're able to reach every single student and teacher and make them feel welcome. While some students may be embarrassed having the attention on them, they're certain to feel recognized and welcome. This also works well for greeting new students and freshmen who may feel nervous about being at a new school. Personally welcoming them from the second they set foot in their new school and being there to help should they have questions will help alleviate their stress and point them in the right direction. We order shirts matching our theme that every student council member and many teachers wear on the first day. The goal of having our council wear these shirts is so any students who are lost know they can ask us for help. We also ask our members to hang around in the hallways after their classes for a little bit to help any students who look lost. We usually try to pick a bright color for our welcome back shirts that stand out in the hallways. Along with the bright color that makes us easily recognizable, we also put some sort of slogan essentially saying we're here to help if you're lost. This is so any student who needs help knows they can ask anyone in one of these shirts for a point in the right direction. Our advisor sends an email out to all of the teachers and staff excusing anyone in student council and wearing a welcome back shirt from being tardy. This gives us the chance to hang out in the hallways outside of our classrooms looking to help anyone who seems confused. It also allows us time to walk the student to their classroom and ask how their day is going. We tell the student council members that they are only allowed to be a few minutes late just to ensure that no one takes advantage of this flexibility, but we haven't had any problems. Later in the day, we gather all of our students and staff in the gym for our first day pep rally. At this student-led pep rally, we get everyone excited to be back using games and cheers. Make sure to pick games and activities that get the whole crowd involved. We've found people don't get as excited if there's just a few people competing, so try to pick games that can create a class competition. Also, try getting staff involved in the games. Some of the best interaction comes when students and teachers are competing against each other. Along with getting students excited about being back, we use the pep rally to advertise our fall sports and recognize our fall sports players. We teach the cheers that we use at sports events so the new students and freshmen can learn them. We also use the pep rally to introduce our teachers and staff to everyone. Make sure to split up the teacher introductions and keep them short so the audience doesn't lose interest. If your administrators seem hesitant to give up class time for a pep rally, suggest to them that they can use this time where the whole school is together to remind students of the rules and expectations for the year. It's much easier to get the message across when everyone is sitting right in front of you rather than individually or over email. It's important to remind students of the rules before problems come up. They can also use this time to speak to specific class expectations, such as reminding the freshmen that it's important to start high school off on the right foot and reminding seniors not to let senioritis hit too soon. First days can be rough for teachers too. As a thank you to our teachers and include them in our first day activities, we ask each student council member to bring a snack or breakfast item for the teachers. We leave these snacks in the teachers' lounge so they can have a pick-me-up throughout the day. By planning an engaging and action-packed first day, you will be able to get everyone, students and staff alike, excited for the new school year. Have questions about how to welcome students in your own school back for another great year? Email me at kittingere@gmail.com. Thanks for watching!